So in this Ticketmaster tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy MLS tickets here on Ticketmaster. So if you wanted to go to a soccer game, an MLS game in specific, go to the top here to where it says sports and press on that. Now where it says near, I'll use New York City as an example, but if you press on that, you can change the location. You can also use your current location as well. But I'll just use New York City as an example. Where it says dates, you can change the date if you're looking for a specific date. Also, to where it says all sports right here, we want to go ahead and press on soccer because we want to go ahead and watch a soccer game. So once you're here, different events. So for example, on October 4th, there is the New York Red Bulls versus FC Cincinnati. If you want to go ahead and view that game right there, you can go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, it's going to bring you to the ticket page. So if you want to switch to the map view, you can kind of see sort of a map of the stadium in regards to where you might want to buy tickets. You can also change the amount of tickets you're looking to buy, as well as filters in regards to price. So you can scroll down here. If I wanted to use this ticket right here as an example, it can kind of show you the location as well as the price point. If all looks good, go ahead and press on next. Now what's going to be doing on this page right here, this is the checkout page where they're going to be holding your tickets for you. You can also scroll down to see the delivery method of the tickets, the payment. So if you wanted to add a credit or debit card, use PayPal or Venmo, you can do that as well. There is ticket insurance as well if you want to go ahead and purchase that. There's also the price breakdown right here. So if all looks good and you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom, press on the green place order button, and proceed that way with your transaction of the MLS tickets. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy MLS tickets here on Ticketmaster. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.